How to turn on or turn off SmartThings sync favorite on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. Click on connected devices. Scroll down and click on SmartThings. After click on SmartThings, click on this menu icon and click on settings icon. Now in SmartThings settings, you will see sync favorites is here. If you want to turn off sync favorites, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see sync favorites is turn off. If you want to turn on sync favorites, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see sync favorite is turn on. You will turn on or turn off sync favorite from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off SmartThings sync favorites on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.